Okay, I'm back. Not much Trump's Barbie, but ice cream trumps. So just going back and cleaning. Oh, you can see. Yeah. Ooh, that's a big old lump of the black that we got there. That's just what's come. Let's just check the front and get any. I'm not going to go too. I'll come back to this, I think, in a little while, just because I want to show you some other bits. But that's the cleaning the plastic of the torso, but it just gets the rubber, the perished rubber just gets everywhere, so it can be a little fiddly process. Sometimes I'll get like a Q-tip and wrap a little bit of cotton around just to get into some of the little crevices. I'm just gonna do one last bit. Well, actually that's in the leg, that'll get hidden. Okay, so what I've done is kind of soaking see, this is a world of difference to the alcohol. This would usually take quite a while to get all this black gunk out, but it's just thing. I did let it sit in the ammonia for a little while. Shut that door. I think you have to be British to get that. Or maybe I've watched British TV in the 70s. I don't know. I can't imagine Larry Grayson really made much of an impression in the States. He was so British, but perhaps Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Yeah, this is just coming out wonderfully. Okay. Oh, you can see. Oh, you can see it's my hand there in there. I think I'll come back to this. And then, so that's sort of cleaning, the cleaning of the disc and the metal, whatever you want to call it, that the disc is glued to. Sometimes gunk gets underneath or in between the metal thing and the disc. It doesn't matter, you know, it's fine there. I also wanted to have a look. Oftentimes the spring will get, actually this one is pretty good. Oh, my roll of kitchen towel roll blew away. Let me just sit on it. Whew, that bloody ammonia. I think my glove sprung a leak. But this is the spring, and quite often, I mean, you can see there's a little bit of black, but quite often there'll be black caked all through the spring, and you just have to kind of pull it apart and get Q-tip, and just, well, I won't go do a dirty one because that would defeat the purpose of it all, but you just sort of pull it apart and you get your sort of Q-tip. You've either soaked in the rubbing alcohol or the ammonia and just wiping. Someone did tell me, I'll try it another time, that you can just drop this into the ammonia, drop things into the ammonia, let them soak, and then rinse under the tap, and it'll just wash away. But I'm not going to do that this time because it will use more ammonia, but also there's just not that much of this black everywhere. There is a bit here, so I'm just going to come and I just realised I was doing that out of sight. And I think that's actually, no, there's another little bit to it, sort of here, kind of there. Maybe a little bit just there, but that's but that's good. Yeah. I'll show you how to curl this back up. It's fine like that. Let's come to, so this is the little spring holder. I'm just going, yeah, let's see this. Let's get a different Q-tip. Again, what I've been doing, I may have been excited, just dipping it back in, shaking off some of the, yeah, gosh, the ammonia is a game changer. I mean, the alcohol is a little less smelly, and yeah, let me change. You'll need gloves to do this because I can feel. I'm gonna have to go and do that actually in a moment because it's starting to burn. Yeah, I'm gonna go do that.